So my name's Amy Hernandez, and this is Mike Graves, and he nominated me for a car 6 months ago that I received, and has been a life changer and just the best thing that's ever happened, being able to have a reliable vehicle. And in doing so, I know that he was going through some struggles as well and really needed the same thing in return. So I nominated him, and thankfully he was chosen to get the car today. So it's really exciting.
It's not a handout, it's a hand up, is how it was explained to me, and the things that the family has done in the community. I've been rooted in this community my entire life and been able to see them do things and pay back to the community, and now to be on I explained to the Sean and Pat earlier, I'm the oldest brother but the smallest, and so being raised by a single mom on a teacher's salary, I used to get hand-me-downs, and they used to be my brother's hand-me-downs for birthday presents and Christmas, and this is the best hand-me-down I could possibly ask for, especially in my time of need right now. Just really starts the holiday season off right.